At the end of 2025, 2 ideation workshops were held in the Hungarian Slovenian Living Lab within the CROCUS project. Why these workshops were important? Though the overall themes have been defined by the researchers of the project, these workshops were when local ownerships began. The goal was to ensure that the ideas for future initiatives were truly rooted in local needs, knowledge and potential, shaped by the people who know the place best. These ideation workshops brought together regional stakeholders to explore how tourism and collaboration could help make the region better for both residents and visitors. Together, participants built on local strengths to shape ideas and open new opportunities. In these workshops, we moved from identifying local potential to imagining future possibilities to generating and prioritizing project ideas. By the end of the workshops, we had 2-3 strong ideas to carry into the second workshops, where they would be developed further using the Sustainable Business Canvas. The participants were active and motivated during the development of ideas. They felt comfortable, were satisfied with the facilitator, and liked the structure of the workshop.